Are you in the mood for a quick, easy appetizer? Well, Bannann Pesse, fried green plantains, is delicious on its own or served as a side dish with rice and beans and pickles. In this video, we are going to show you how to easily make Bannann Pesse fried plantains. Fried plantains is a universal side dish to any Caribbean meal. Although plantains can be boiled or fried green or white, plantains accompany almost every Haitian meal. I hope our video shows you some tips on preparing this popular Haitian dish. Welcome to Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. I'm Samuel Valmet, author of Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. On our channel, we teach you how to cook easy traditional Haitian recipes. If you're new to our channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, comment, like, share our videos with friends and family, and also don't forget to click on the notification button to get notified and updated on all our new content. You can find any links that is mentioned in this video to include the recipe in the description below. Don't forget to stay to the end of the video to receive my 3 bonus tips. So let's get cooking. Now for my 3 tips for making amazing fried green plantains. Tip number 1, selecting the plantain. To make Bannanns Pesse, you need to select plantains that are green. Even if there's some yellow on the plantain, even if it's at the tip, go ahead and select another one. The yellow means that the plantains are starting to ripe. Tip number 2, you can also air fry the plantains. I'll leave the directions in the description below on how to do that. Tip number 3, adding some juice from 1 lime or lemon also helps to flavor the plantain as well. It also keeps the uncooked plantains from turning dark in color while they're waiting to be fried. Thank you for watching Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. I am Samuel Valmet. Please don't forget to purchase the book on Amazon and come back to the page often, as we will be posting different techniques and discussions that we are sure will be engaging. Until next time, thanks for joining us on Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook.